I think not a leg.
Once you move it to the stud, it will pick up that something changed.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah.
Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk, and today we're gonna be going over how I did my closet organization system in my master bedroom. The video footage I just saw at the beginning of this video is just me trying to figure out where the frick the studs are. I just cannot find studs, and I just want to put it out there and say that this is my journey on renovating my house by myself. I don't have any previous experience. I'm not saying that what I'm doing is right. I'm just saying this is how I did it, and this is what I found works, or it doesn't, and this is the end result of all my hard work. So without further ado, and I know I always say that, let's go and see what I did. So I have my laptop tray right here. I'm actually using it. If you want to see that video, I'll put it up there for you. And let's see here. So this is how my closet looked before. I just put a bunch of garbage bags. I did not have enough boxes. Boxes to move are really expensive, so I put most of my clothes in garbage bags, like the heavy duty ones. I had everything packed on top of each other in a lot of suitcases and everything all together in this closet, so I had to clear everything up first. And once I did, I tried to figure out again where studs are and measuring things out. I knew I wanted to kind of replicate a Wayfair closet organizing system, that one side had like a long rod for dresses and, you know, longer coats or whatever, and then on the other side I wanted to have the top part for tops and the bottom part for pants, even though I usually don't hang my pants. I placed pieces of wood on both sides because, again, I can't find any studs, so if you use a lot of screws at some point you are gonna hit the stud, right? So I have two on each side, and then I have two 2-inch pieces down the middle that would hold the shelf in place. The big piece on top goes on, and then I used many screws to keep it in place and give it a lot of support. I then took the sides of the shelves and I attached them to the little 2-inch pieces that I put on the wall already. Again, I used a lot of screws to keep them in place. I did use the pieces of wood with the holes in them so I can use shelf pegs, or actually they are called bracket pegs, because I had an idea in mind where I would put the shelves up and down and it would be open concepts and you can see all the clothes, but in the end using baskets was better, holds more clothes in there and it looks less messier. The only thing that I wish I did different was that I had this idea in mind first, so I can make all the shelves the same size and use the same type of baskets in all of them. The top and the bottom shelves I did screw from the side so it would give it more stability. The other ones I just counted, and make sure you put the pegs on the same level or this will happen. There we go. Again, for the closet rods, I used a piece of wood on the wall just to make sure that I hit a stud at some point and not make a lot of holes and make it look really horrible. And then I followed the instructions on the package to put the closet rods on. Make sure to leave enough room for the hangers to be hung. And that was not a seizure, that was a happy dance that my closet rod is in place. Also, cool little thing, my level has a magnetic band on it, so it just sticks to the closet rod. I covered all the holes with white stickers that I put in the description below so you can't see all the screws that I used. And then I made sure to clean it really well, and that was it. This was it for this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I do want to mention it's 76 degrees in my house right now and I am freezing. That is why I'm wearing a hoodie. I do love this hoodie. I found it on Instagram. There was this comedian, or wannabe comedian, I don't know, but he was in the military before, and I think it's hilarious. It says but Sarge, and it's the staff sergeant sign. That's, you know, if you're not in the military, look it up. It's really comfy and really good. I'm not associated with him at all, and that was that. I also want to say that I did buy hangers at Ross. I limited myself at 120, so that was the amount of clothes that I had to keep. So the amount of clothes that I had to get rid of was dependent on the amount of hangers I had, because I know I'm not wearing all my clothes all the time, but you know, what if I give it away and then I want to wear it? So yes, 120. I know it sounds like a lot. I did put in the description below some hangers that I found on Amazon that are similar, and I really like them. The clothes don't slide off, like if they're, you know, like lower shoulder cut, and everything matches, and it's super organized, and it's gonna stay that way. I did use the same type of pulls on the doors that I'm gonna use on the barn door in my bedroom. The bedroom video is gonna come soon. I just need to finish my nightstands and I will get on it. And I did talk for a long time. If you want to see what's happening throughout the week, make sure you follow me at Karina Beneduk on Instagram, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. I'll probably make another video about the entryway closet and the hallway closet, because this video was gonna be 1,000,000 minutes long if I included everything together. Stay in touch. I feel like I'm saying goodbye, because I am. No, I'm saying see you next Saturday.
¿Con quién voy a compartir todas mis noches húmedas? Ahora quién me va a dar los besos como tú los das. Todo es una ilusión y eso lo verás. Tú amabas a Nico pero nunca a Nicolás. Tú eras la oveja mala del rebaño. Tu vicio de la fama sí me hizo daño. Tantas promesas fueron por el caño, porque lo único que cumplí son años. Chica, si te vas y luego me quieres ver, eso nunca pasará. Prefiero otra mujer. Chica, si te vas y juegas otro papel que nunca te quedará, como eso de serme fiel. El día que me falte tu piel, ¿qué será? ¿Qué será de mí? No seas parte de mi amanecer.
Let's see what be happening. I gotta bribe him now to shut up. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Beneduk. Why did I say it weird again? Closet organization. I can't say it. About the entryway closet and the hallway closet.